Hello friends, in the previous video we learned basics of profit and loss and solve some question paper using this sixth formula. Gain equal to selling price minus cost price. When selling price is greater than the cost price, obviously it makes some gain or profit. And loss, whenever cost price is greater than selling price, then it obviously makes some loss. And what is gain percentage? If cost price equal to 50 rupees and selling price equal to 60 rupees, then gain equal to selling price minus cost price means 60 minus 50 equal to 10. And what is gain percentage? 10 into 100 by cost price 50. And loss percentage, if cost price equal to 50 rupees and selling price equal to 40 rupees, then obviously it makes some loss. 50 minus 40 means 10. So loss percent equal to 10 into 100 by 50. And selling price equal to 100 plus gain percent by 100 into cost price, and selling price equal to 100 minus loss percent by 100 into cost price whenever there is a loss. If an article is sold at a gain of say 35%, then selling price equal to 135% of cost price, means selling price equal to 100% plus 35% equal to 135% of cost price. And if an article is sold at a loss of say 25%, then selling price equal to 75% of cost price, means 100% minus 25% equal to 75% of the cost price. When a person sells two similar items, one at a gain of say X% and the other at a loss of X%, then the seller always incurs a loss given by loss percent equal to common loss and gain percent by 10 whole square equal to X by 10 square. If a trader professes to sell his goods at cost price but uses false weight, then gain percent equal to error by true value minus error into 100%. Suppose the weight is 500 gram but the trader make the weight 400 gram. So obviously it makes some error. It's actually his profit. So first question. 2/3 of a consignment was sold at a profit of 5% and the remainder at a loss of 2%. If the total profit was 400, find the value of the consignment. 2/3 of a consignment was sold at a profit of 5%. Let the value of consignment be X. First say 2/3 of a consignment was sold at a profit of 5%, means cost price of 2/3 equal to 2x by 3. It's 5% profit and the remainder at a loss of 2%. Remainder means 1/3. So cost price of 1/3 equal to x by 3. So total selling price equal to, first say profit of 5%. 5% profit means we know if gain 35% means selling price equal to 135% of cost price. Then here say profit 5% means 105%. 105% of what? Here say 2/3 of a consignment, profit 5%. So 105% of 2x by 3 plus say the remainder at a loss of 2%. Loss of 2% means here if an article sold at a loss of say 25%, then selling price equal to 75% of cost price, means 100% minus 25% equal to 75%. So here say 2% loss. 2% loss means 100% minus 2% means 98%. So the remainder is loss. Loss means x by 3. So 98% of x by 3. 98% of x by 3. So 105 by 100 into 2x by 3 plus 98 by 100 into x by 3. So 7x by 10 plus 49x by 150. So 150 is the LCM. 49x, 105x, 9 5 14, 4 1 4 1 5 1 154x by 150 means 75. So 77x by 75. So total selling price equal to 77x by 75. And cost price we know x. So profit equal to profit equal to 77x by 75 minus x equal to 77x minus 75x equal to 2x by 75. Here say total profit 400. So 2x by 75 equal to 400. 200. So x equal to 75 into 2, 150 and 20. So value of consignment. Hence value of consignment equal to 15,000 is the answer. Next question. Find the single discount equivalent to a series discount of 10%, 20% and 30%. First say 10%, then 20%, then 30%. If total is 100%, then after discount it's 100 minus 10 equal to 90%. Let marked price be 100. We assume marked price be 100. Then first 10% means 100 minus 10% of 100. Then 20%. 20% of what? 20% of 100 minus 10% of 100 means 100 minus 20%. 100 minus 20% of and 30% means 100 minus 30% of this whole. So it's mean 70% of 80% of 90% of 100. Of means multiplication. So 70 by 100 into 80 by 100 into 90 by 100 into 100. 0 0 cancel out. 7 8 56. 56 into 9. 9 6 54 4 and this 50 by 10. So it means 50.4. So marked price be 100 and its net selling price. Net selling price equal to 50.4. What is required discount? Required discount equal to marked price minus net selling price equal to 100 minus 50.4% equal to 49.6%. This is the answer. Next question. A man sold 2 flats for 6,75,958 each. On one he gains 16% and while on the other he loses 16%. One he gains 16% and other he lost 16%. How much does he gain or loss in the whole transaction? Here we use this formula. When a person sells two similar items, one at a gain of say X% and the other at a loss of say X%, then seller always incurs a loss given by loss percent equal to common loss and gain percent by 10 equal to X by 10%. Means loss percent because there is always a loss. Loss percent equal to common loss and gain percent by 10 whole square. This is percent. So here 16% gain and 16% loss. So 16 by 10%. So it's mean 256 by 100% equal to 2.56%. 2.56% is the answer. Always loss. Whenever gains and losses are same, so there is always loss. Remind it, there is always loss. Next question. A dishonest dealer professes to sell his goods at cost price but uses a weight of 960 grams for a kg weight. Find his gain percent. He uses a weight of 960 grams instead of a kg. Means a error of a kg means 1000 grams. Here occurs a error of 1000 grams minus 960 grams equal to 40 grams. If a trader professes to sell his goods at cost price but uses false weight, then gain percent equal to error by true value minus error into 100%. So here error equal to 1000 minus 960 grams equal to 40 grams. Gain percent. So gain percent equal to error by true value minus error into 100%. So here error 40 grams, so 40 by true value minus error, it means false weights. Here false weights 960 grams, so 40 by 960 into 100%. So it means so 25 by 6% equal to 1 by 6%. If you have any doubt, please join my Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link we share in the description section, and the first part video link of profit and loss we also share in the description section. And thanks friend for watching my video. If you like it, please click on the like button and also press the subscribe button so that you can get all my notification as soon as I post video. Thank you.